So first of all, go to your Google Calendar and in this left-hand menu, scroll down. And here, come to this other calendar section. Here, click this plus icon and select create new calendar and type your calendar name and write your calendar description. You can change your calendar time zone from here and click on create calendar. Once the calendar created, go back to your main calendar and under my calendars, here you will find your newly created calendars. Now make sure to check the calendar here. Then click this three dot next to the calendar and click on settings and sharing. In here, scroll down and come to this section, share with. Now click on add people and groups. Now all you have to need, add email or name. You can add multiple people to share your calendar with, and you can select any calendar permissions from here and finally click on send. And here you can see invitation has been successfully sent. So that's how you can actually create shared calendars in Google Calendar. Thanks for watching.